In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can recover your Gmail password. Okay, so when you go to gmail.com and you try and put in your email address, and then you get to this section where you need to enter in your password. Obviously, we don't have our password, so what you need to do is click on Forgot Password. And then I have two-step verification on, so it just sent me a notification to my phone. So I just need to approve that notification right now. So I'll do that real quick. Once that has been done, you just need to create a new password. So I'll type in my new password now. Once you've entered in your new password twice, all you need to do is click on Save Password, and then it's going to take you to a security checkup. What you can do is you can just scroll down and then click on Continue to Gmail, and it should take you into your Gmail account. So there you can see your Google account was successfully recovered. And that's the process. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.